Yibunei HaMikdash Hirtzio in the Malai O Korles Ozman
Looking for wisdom that speaks to your heart? Say hello to Rabbi Joseph Kolakowski, the Koblenzer Rebbe. Rabbi Joseph Kolakowski, the Koblenzer Rebbe, brings ancient wisdom to today's world. Each week, he dives into the Kedushas Levi, unraveling profound insights from the Parsha. Whether you're deeply versed in Torah study or just beginning your journey, Rabbi Kolakowski's teachings are accessible and inspiring. His unique approach not only sheds light on the text, but also offers practical guidance for modern life. So why not join us and discover the timeless wisdom of the Kedushas Levi? With Rabbi Kolakowski, every Parsha becomes a path to deeper understanding and personal growth. Tune in, and let the Koblenzer Rebbe illuminate your week with Torah truths that resonate. Subscribe now to stay inspired and spiritually connected.
Alright, Bruchim Abayim, welcome everyone. Every Thursday we try to learn a little bit from the Heilige Rebbe Levi This week is Parshas Emor, and in Parshas Emor we read, it's Leviticus 21, alright. Emor l'kahanim b'nei Aharon. In Leviticus chapter 21 verse 1 it says, "Speak unto the priests, the sons of Aaron, b'nyin kiyesh daladoi lamas." So we know that in Kabbalah there's the concept of the four universes, the four worlds: Atzilus, Bria, Yitzir, Asiya. Atzilus, the world of emanation; Bria, the world of creation; Yitzira, the world of formation; and Asiya, the world of action, which is this world. In all four of the worlds, you have the archetype both of life and the opposite. Like on YouTube, they don't like to say the opposite, right? Because then the sponsors don't like to put ads. We see that in this world, the world of action, that there is life, and then, God forbid, there's the opposite. But the same thing exists in the world of formation, the world of Yitzira, Shuhu Adibar, that is represented, that's the archetype of speech. When a person speaks nonsense and vanity, then it's called the opposite. You know what I'm talking about. But when a person speaks good words, but if he is speaking positive words, in Torah, and devotion, and the precepts, the commandments, and the worship of the blessed Creator, that is the archetype that's called life. That's what's hinted to in the verse in the book of Proverbs, Mishlei, Proverbs 18, verse 21. Achayim, that life and death are in the hands of the tongue. This is a major, fundamental concept in the worship of the Lord. The person has to be very careful of the words he speaks. So too in the world of creation, Bria, which represents the archetype of thought. There's the archetype of life. When a person is constantly thinking of the worship of the Lord, this archetype is called life, and God forbid the opposite. And then the higher world is the world of fear, of piety, in which one is totally nullified and cancelled from his existence. Even there, up in the Tzilus, in the world of emanation, which is pious fear of God, there's also the archetype of life, and God forbid the opposite. The Iker and the main concept, Hu Hadibur. The key is speech. Shishmar the Matzman b'dibur. A person has to be very careful in the way he talks. Kikotlim b'diburim shaladam. Everything depends on the words that a person speaks. V'zorem is Emor ol-kahanim. This is what's hinted to here, where it says, "Speak unto the priests." V'martaleim, and you should talk unto them. You should speak unto them. V'nefesh liyatama. Don't be impure from their soul, which literally here legally means that the priests cannot be in contact with a dead body, but homiletically it means don't defile yourself with the bad types of words. Everything depends on the words you say, the words that come out of your mouth. That's what brings, in this homiletical sense, the impurity, and it's easy to understand. Thank you for watching. God bless. Please like, share, and subscribe, comment. We hope to see you real soon. Alright, how do I turn this thing off? Have a good Shabbos, everybody.
We hope you enjoyed this content. This channel has over 5,000 videos, including Torah commentary, podcasts, footage of Jewish and historical events, and much more. We are sure you will find more videos you will enjoy. Please like, share, subscribe, hit the bell button, and comment. Rabbi Kolakowski often makes videos based on questions in the comment section, so you might have a video made just for you. By helping this channel grow, you are helping to spread Torah. God bless.
Yibnei HaMikdash, Hirtzio ente malai, Okar les ozman.
Ich lebe jetzt, hab